4 things that you have to know, at least, that can really affect your profit and losses. First, type of account you will be using. The type of account can be ECN, STP, raw account, zero spread, pro account, cent account, micro account, swap free, and the last one, the standard account. And the type of account that is right for you, it will really depend on your risk, capital, and the strategy that you will be using. Second, the broker that you will be using. Brokers can work against you by stop hunting, slippage, swap, and spread. But it all really depends on the type of account you choose. Third, leverage. Leverage can affect your losses and profit. Higher leverage means the ability to open big slot size with small capital, but also, on the other hand, mean higher losses or blowing account. For example, 1:500 to 1:1000 leverage is very higher. Fourth, slot size. Slot size can increase the chance of big profit and big losses. For example, 200 USD, you open a slot size of 1, in 8 pip or 10, the account will be blowing or will be in deep profit.